ഓം ഓം ശ്രീ ഗുരുഭ്യോ നമഃ. ഹരി ഓം. ഓം ഗണാനാം ത്വാ ഗണപതിഗും ഹവാമഹേ കവിം കവീനാം ഉപമശ്രവസ്തമം ജ്യേഷ്ഠരാജം ബ്രഹ്മണാം ബ്രഹ്മണസ്പത ആനശൃണ്വന്നോതിഭിः സീദസാദനം. ഓം ശ്രീ മഹാഗണപതയേ നമഃ. ഓം നമഃ ശിവായ ഗുരവേ സച്ചിദാനന്ദമൂർത്തയേ നിഷ്പ്രപഞ്ചായ ശാന്തായ നിരാലംബായ തേജസേ. ഓം യസ്യാത്മഭൂതസ്യ ഗുരുപ്രസാദാത് അഹം വിമുക്തോസ്മി സംസാരബന്ധാത്. സർവോപദേഷ്ടു ശിവാനന്ദമൂർത്തേഃ മൃദ്വാങ്കരിയുഗ്മം പ്രണതോസ്മി നിത്യം. ദയാസിന്ധും ദീനബന്ധും ശാസ്ത്രാർത്ഥബോധനപട്ടും മസ്കരീന്ദ്രവരം നൗമി ശ്രീചിദാനന്ദസദ്ഗുരും. ഓം പ്രാണിനാം ദുഃഖഹർത്താരോ ജ്ഞാനദൂഭുവനമുക്തയേ ശിവാനന്ദചിദാനന്ദൗ ആശ്രയേ ഗുരുസത്തമോ. ഓം ശാന്താത്മാനം പ്രണതസുലഭം സിദ്ധവിദ്യാപ്രഭാവം ഭാസ്വദ്രൂപം സുഗുണനിലയം ദ്വഷ്ടകർമാദിവർഗം പ്രജ്ഞാവൃദ്ധം നിജസമദൃശം താരതം ത്യാഗിവദ്യം സാക്ഷാത് ഈശം മമ ഗുരുവരം ശിവാനന്ദം നതോസ്മി. ഓം വിശ്വം ദർപ്പണദൃശ്യമാനനഗരീ തുല്യം നിജാന്തർഗതം പശ്യന്നാത്മനി മായയാ ബഹിരിബോദ്ഭൂതം യഥാ നിദ്രയാ യസാക്ഷാത് കുരുതേ പ്രബോധസമയേ സ്വാത്മാനമേവാദ്വയം. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമേദം ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. ബീജസ്യ അന്തരിവങ്കുരോ ജഗതിദം പ്രാങ് നിർവികൽപം പുനഃ മായാകൽപ്പിതദേശകാലകലനാ വൈചിത്ര്യചിത്രീകൃതം മായാവീവ വിജൃംഭയത്യപി മഹായോഗീവ യസ്വേച്ഛയാ. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമേദം ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. യസ്യൈവ സ്ഫുരണം സദാത്മകം അസത്കൽപ്പാർത്ഥകം ഭാസത്തെ സാക്ഷാത് തത്വമസീതി വേദവചസാ യോ ബോധയത്യാശ്രിതാൻ യസ്സാക്ഷാത്കരണാത് ഭവേന്ന പുനരാവൃത്തിഃ ഭവാംഭോനിധൗ. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമേദം ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. നാനാഛിദ്രകടോദരസ്ഥിത മഹാദീപപ്രഭാഭാസ്വരം ജ്ഞാനം യസ്യ തു ചക്ഷുരാദികരണദ്വാരാ ബഹിസ്പന്ദതേ. ജാനാമീതി തമേവ ബന്ധം അനുപാത്യേതത് സമസ്തം ജഗത്. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമേദം ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. ദേഹം പ്രാണമപീന്ദ്രിയാണ്യപി ചലാം ബുദ്ധിം ച ശൂന്യം വിദുഃ സ്ത്രീ ബാലാന്തജടോപമാഃ ത്വഹമിതി ഭ്രാന്താഭൃശം വാദിനഃ. മായാശക്തിവിലാസകൽപ്പിത മഹാവ്യാമോഹസംഹാരിണേ. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമേദം ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. രാഹുഗ്രസ്ത ദിവാകരന്തി സദൃശോ മായാസമാച്ഛാദനാത് സന്മാത്രകരണോപസംഹരണതോ യോ ഭൂത് സുഷുപ്തഃ പുമാൻ പ്രാഗസ്വാപ്സ്വമിതി പ്രബോധസമയേ യഃ പ്രത്യഭിജ്ഞായതേ. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമേദം ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. ബാല്യാദിഷ്വപി ജാഗ്രതാദിഷു തഥാ സർവാസ്വവസ്ഥാസ്വപി വ്യാവൃത്താസ്വനുവർത്തമാനം അഹമിത്യന്തഃസ്ഫുരന്തം സദാ സ്വാത്മാനം പ്രകടീകരോതി ഭജതാം യോ മുദ്രയാ ഭദ്രയാ. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമേദം ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. ഓം ഭദ്രം കർണേഭിഃ ശൃണുയാമദേവാഃ ഭദ്രം പശ്യേമാക്ഷഭിർയജത്രാഃ സ്ഥിരൈരംഗൈസ്തുഷ്ടുവാഗുംസസ്തനൂഭിഃ व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अत हैनं भार्गवो वैदर्भिः पप्रच्छ भगवन् कत्येव देवाः प्रजां विधारयन्ते कतरये तत्प्रकाशयन्ते कः पुनः येषां वरिष्ठ इति। So the second question is Bhargava, Vidarbhadesh Bhargava asked the question, Bhagavan Katyeva Devaha Prajam Vidarayante. Which are the devatas supporting this body? Katarayetat Prakashyante. Who are these people keeping this alive? Kappunaresham Varishta. Who is the best among them? Why this is asked? Because yesterday I told you, in the previous chapter it was told, Prana and Rehi. Prana is the Devata, ultimate Devata. But he has heard so many Devatas are there. Every Indriya is a Devata. Yesterday I also quoted Agnirme Vachishritaha Vagridaye Hridayam Mayi, like that. So in the Veda they have studied, so many Devatas are there. In the Upanishad also we study. So which are all the Devatas there? Among these who is the best? Whether Prana is the best or somebody else. Then Tasmai Soho Vacha Akasho Hava Yesha Devo Vayuragnihi Apaha Prativi Vangmana Chakshushrotram Te Prakashya Abhivadanti Vayamedat Bhanam Avashlabhya Vidarayamaha. So this body is made up of Panchabhutas, Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Apaha, Prativi, Panchabhutas, and Vangmana Chakshuhu. Vag is Jnanendriyas, Chakshuhu is the Vak is Karmendriya, Chakshuhu is Jnanendriya, and the Mana is Antakarana. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 Jnanendriyas, 5 Karmendriyas, and Manobuddhi Ahankara Chitta 14, plus these 5 Panchabhutas. These are all supporting this. If one is not there, there will be some defect. So we are supporting. Te Prakashya Abhivadanti. Not only they support, they each one thought that I am the superior. I am the fellow who is doing everything, like that. Then, real great man, Tan Varishtaha, one who is really supporting, Tan Varishtaha Prana Uvacha Ma Mohamapadyata Ahameva Yedat Panchata Atmanam Pravibhajya Yetat Bhanam Avashtabhya Vidharayamiti Te Ashraddhadana Babuvuhu. So then the Prana said, hey, don't be deluded. Don't show your pride and other things. I am really supporting. You are all my assistants only. You are all helping me. You are all okay. But if without me, nobody can remain here. Then that is not bother. Oh, I am like that. The Devatas start. So Abhimanat Urdhvamutkramata. So Abhimanat Urdhvamutkramata iva tasmin Utkramati ateitere Sarvayeva Utkramande tasmincha pradishtamane Sarvayeva pratishtande tadyatha makshika Matigara Rajanam Utkramandam Sarvayeva Utkramande tasmincha pradishtamane Sarvayeva pratishtanta evam vangmana chakshushrotram Srotram jate pritaha pranam stunvandi. So then Vayu thought, all right, Prana thought, all right, I will make you understand that. So just he started moving, he started going out. When he started going out, everybody has to follow him. Nobody could remain there. So then there is the Upanishad gives an example. When the king bee, honey bee goes, all other servants will go. Like that, they all followed him. When he comes back, he will come back. When he goes, it will go. When he comes back, it will come back. When he remains, it will remain. So then they thought, oh, they agreed. No, you are the master. You are only supporting. We are only, your power only we get. His power only we get actually. The prana's power only we get. And who is prana? Bhagavan is prana. Atma is prana. Okay? That you should not forget. In this, Jagada is going on, so we enjoy Jagada, we are also having Jagada like this. It's not that way. Prana is actually the Bhagavan actually. If he is not there, none of these things are there. You cannot have any ahankara. Who am I, you know? All these things are not possible, you know. So, te pritaha stuvanti. Then they all started glorifying the prana. Yes, yesho agnihi tapati, yesha suryaha, yesha parjanyaha, Bhagavan, yesha vayuresha prithvi, rehi devaha, sakshat cha amritam chayat. Then they said, oh, this prana is Agni. He is the Agni Devata. And he is Surya. He is Parjanya. He is Makhavan Indra. He is Vayu. He is Prithvi. He is Reyi. He is Satya Asatya. Murta and Amurta. Subtle and Stula and Sukshma. Everything is that. So, this has been told in the first chapter, you know. Reyi cha etadam. What is told there, it is told in a different way. So the Veda Mata is keep on telling you every time that Bhagavan only is here. Why all the problems in life? Because we accept other than Bhagavan here. Okay? We accept other than Bhagavan here. We accept something other than me here. Kama, Krodha, all these things, this Ichcha, Dvesha, all these things are possible only with the other. You cannot have Dvesha with you. You cannot have love with you. Okay? So as long as there is other thing, if anything other than Bhagavan is there, then the problem will be there. So mind has to be trained to think that and that alone. All other things are our imagination. This is the point. This is the only message of the Vedas. This is the only message of the Upanishads. All other message will only create problem only. Okay? There is no escape from that. Only instead of this problem will be there. Then again it is told, Araiva rathanabhu prane sarvam pratishtitam Rujoyajum Shisamani Yajnam Chatram Brahmacha. So Araiva rathanabhu, all the spokes are connected to the Nabhi of the Ratha. All these things are connected to that prana. All these things are connected to prana. When I say it is prana Shabda is used by Vedanta, Sutratma, and it is in the Puranas it becomes Bhagavan. In the Puranas it is Bhagavan, in the Vedanta it is Brahman or Prana. Okay? Sutratma or Hiranyagarbha like that. So prana is sarvam pratishtita. Everything is connected to prana only. All the Rik, Yajus, Sama, Yajna, Chatra, Brahmana, Kshatriya, means all the people, everything is connected to that only. Everything is connected to you only. You are our master. Like that, all these Indriyas are saying. Prajapatish charasi garbhe tvameva pratijayase tupyam prana prajastvima belim haranti yah pranaihi pratitishthasi prajapatihi charasi garbhe. You are the Prajapati. You are moving in this garbha. You only make the fetus to move, the child to move in this garbha. Do you know anything like this? Have you heard like this anywhere? Prajapatischarasi garbhe antaha ajayamano bahudha vijayate. Prajapatischarasi garbhe antaha ajayamanaha bahudha vijayate. Ajayamanaha, that which is never born, is born in different ways. Prajapatischarasi garbhe antaha, it comes in the Purusha Sukta, second part. Okay? Adhyas sambhuta prithivye rasacha. Okay. Most of these Veda mantras are coming in different forms here. You remember this, Prajapatischarasi. Why it is not Prajapati? Prajapatischarasi garbhe, Prajapatischarasi garbhe antaha. Anta is not there. Prajapatischarasi garbhe. Tvameva pratijayase. Tvameva pratijayase means you only is again born. Prana only is born here. Okay? And this. Atma by Putra Namasi. Atma only is born as Putra. Atma only is born as Putra. Then the Bhagavad and the Ramayana, when Bhagavan's avatar is being told, first Sri Krishna Avatara. Krishna Avatara, you know how it happens. Bhagavan, 7 times the Devaki Mataji has got given birth to seven children. The 8th child is to be born. That is Bhagavan Sri Krishna is to be born. Do you know how it is described? It is described that Bhagavan entered into the Hridaya of Vasudeva first. And then he went to, remember? Then he goes to the Devaki Mataji. So that Prajapati only goes like that. Bhagavan only actually. So Prajapatischar Sigarbhed, Prajapatischar Sigarbhed, Tvameva Pratijayase, you are only born again. Atma only born. Bhagavan only enters into the mind of Vasudeva. And then as Ichcha for Kamecha comes. And that Kamecha is, that Havan is being done in Devaki Mata. And Devaki Mata is born. Okay? Bhagavan only becomes the Ichcha. Ichcha only becomes the child. So, in the Namakarana function, the mantra is Angad Sambhavati. Atmavi Putranamasi will come there. Angad Sambhavati, like that he will keep, the father will keep it in the child on the right thigh and tell this mantra in his ear. So, Prajapati, you are the Prajapati, you are moving in the Garbha. What does it mean? You are the Srishti. Okay? How the child is born, that's not the case. Prajapati Shardi Garbhe Antaha means, Garbha means Srishti. Bhagavan only comes out as Srishti. Okay? You understood actually? Tvameva Pradijayase, you are only born again. It made it clear. Tubhyam Pranam Prajastimaha Belim Haranti. All these people are bringing this tax to you. They only give everything. This is for you, like that. And yesterday I told you, Pranaya Swaha, Vyanaya Swaha. You are also, here also you are putting Pranaya Swaha, Vyanaya Swaha, Pranaya Swaha, Vyanaya Swaha, Vyanaya Swaha. You are putting here Bhagavan also the same thing. Belim Haranti. Yaha Pranaihi Pratithishtasi. All these things are supported by the prana. All these things are supported by the prana and they pay the tax to prana. All of us are supported by the government and we pay tax to government. We are supporting the government is supporting us. Okay? Same way your palana is done by Bhagavan and you are paying back that gratitude to Bhagavan in the form of devotion. That is a link actually. It's a circle. You should not make Bhagavan is somebody else outside. Bhagavan is very close to us. Bhagavan is not sitting in the temple or anywhere, not Ayodhya, like that. Everywhere he is there, but he is very much here also. It is not in Dwaraka, Ayodhya, like that. He is very much here. He is there also, he is very much here also. There we cannot go every time, but here, every day you can contact him. Every day you cannot contact him. The other day I told you, this Margashirsha month, this Andal, she can't go to Vrindavan. She considered her place as Vrindavan. Srivilliputur as Vrindavan. And then she did that Hemanta Katyayini Vrata, she did it there only. In her place only Katyayini Vrata did. And in that Katyayini Vrata only she called all other girls. Hey, get up at 4 o'clock, we have to do. Go and take bath and observe this Katyayini Vrata. Up to that we have covered, okay? Devanam Asivannitamaha Pitrinam Prathamaswadha Rishinam Charitam Satyam Atharva Angirisamasi Devanam Asivannitamaha. Among the devatas, you are the Agni. Otherwise, Devanam Asivannitamaha. Vakri means Vahni means, Vahni we don't say, the other day I told you, Vahni, Vanni. Vanni we say. Brahma, Brahma we don't say Brahma. Likewise, Jimmam, Jikma actually. So it is Vanni Tamaha. Vanni means Vahati iti Vanni. Takes. Vanni does not mean Agni. Because Agni takes the habits to the devatas. He is carrier. He is a courier. Your courier fellow. So he is called Vanni. But normal meaning is Agni. So you are the courier, carrier of food to the devas. Devanam Vannitamaha Asi. That is the Anvaya. Devanam Vannitamaha Asi. Pitranam Prathama Swatha. Pitranam for the Pitris, you are the Swadha. Swadha means when devas, when you give an offering, Indra Yaswaha, like that. The Pitripya Swadha, like that. For Indra, the Devatas it is Swaha. The word for, we don't use the word Swaha to Devatas, Pitris. Swadha we say. Swadha. This way it is done like this. It is done like this. Swaha is like this. Swaha like that. Swadha means Swadha like that. You should do like this. You understand me? You should do like this. And when the Shraddha, when they are eating, there are two people. One is Devata representation, the other is Pitra representation. For Devatas you should do like this, for Pitras you should do like this. This is called Swadha. Swaha, Swadha, Vashat. Vashat is the Yajna. Vashat is told, Indraya Vashat, that means Yajna. And ordinary pujas and other thing, it will be Swaha. Only in the Yajna. Yajna means not what we do in the Vishwanath, that is not Yajna. That is a Smarta Karma. Shrauta Yajna. This Vajapeya, and then Agrishtoma, like that. In that case, it is Indraya Vashat, like that. Vishnu Sahasranama also, Swaha, Swadha, Vashat, it comes like that. Indra. Maybe in the Vishnu Sahasranama, Vashatkara is, that is different. The Swaha, Swadha, Vashat. Durga Saptasati it comes. Durga Saptasati it comes. Correct. Durga Saptasati. And maybe in the Lalita Sahasranama also it may be there. It is not in the Vishnu Sahasranama. Okay. So this is Prathama Swadha means this any ritual when we are doing. These are also some general knowledge. Suppose if you are doing any ritual in the house. Ritual means smarta karma, not puja. Puja is not a ritual, okay? Suppose if you do a puja in the home, that is not a ritual. If you do a Bhagavad Saptaha, it is not a ritual. Bhagavad Saptaha it's not a ritual. Smarta karma or Shrauta karma. Shraddha is a smarta karma. So a marriage is being done. A marriage is a smarta karma. Rituals. Before that, they will have a worship of the Pitris. In the temple also it will be there. That is called, you know what is the name of that? It is called Nandi Mukham. You heard the word Nandi? Nandi Mukha Shraddha. Nandi Mukha Shraddha means what? Before doing a puja ritual or any other ritual, what we do, Nandi means before. What we do for the Pitris, it is called Nandi Mukha. That is what is called Prathama Swadha. That is what is called. Nandi Mukha Shraddha. So any ritual we are doing, Smarta Karma, there are three types of karma. Shrauta Karma, Vedokta Karma, Agnihotra, Yajnas, etc. Yaga Yajna, etc. Smarta Karma, all the samskaras, Upanayana is being done, that is a Smarta Karma. That is not a Vaidika Karma. Smarta Karma. All, suppose marriage is also a Smarta Karma, samskara. So in that, before the previous day, they will do the Pitra Tarpana, they will say, they will satisfy the Pitras, and then they will come to, suppose if a Shraddha is there, after the Shraddha only you can do the puja. After the Shraddha only you can do the After the Shraddha only you can do you cannot do the puja and this. Only among the Vaishnavas, they mix. They mix everything. When I came here, before I took sannyas, I had to do a shraddha. Nobody was here. Then I went to this Madhva Sampradaya too. And they are actually Vaishnavis. Then they told me, we will do Vaishnava. Okay, no problem, you do Vaishnava. It's okay, he said. So they will mix everything. And our people, we will not, they will make first this Shraddha Karma separate, that is, and then the puja later, afterwards. So if you have to do a puja after that Shraddha, then first you have to do the Shraddha. And that's why the Prathama Swadha. So Devanamasmi Pannitamaha, you are the Agni which carries the food to the Devatas, and you are the Swadha to the Pitris. Rishinam Charitam. Rishi means, Rishi Dhatu, only these Indriyas are also called Rishis. Rishikeshaha. Indriyas also called Rishi. Rishi is not that Rishi. Rishinam Charitam. You are the power behind Indriyas. The eye is able to see. And the eye is able to see you. From where it got the Shakti? The nose is able to smell. The ear is... So all these sense organs, the hand is able to lift. The leg is able to walk. All these Shaktis are Prana Shakti only. Prana Shakti only comes in these forms, very different forms. So you are the Shakti behind all these Indriyas. And Atharvangir Samasi, Satyam Atharvangir Samasi. Also you are that's also Shakti. Satya is also means Shakti. And the Vedokta mantras, all the strength is you only. So they are glorifying like that. All the Indriyas are glorifying the Prana. All the Devatas are worshipping the ultimate reality. All our sense organs worshipping the Bhagavan. So this very same idea comes in the Purana. Comes how the Purana it will come. The idea here, you are the Prathama Agni of the, which carries the food to the Devatas in the Yajna. You are the Swadha to the Pitris. You are the Shakti behind all the Indriyas. Same thing we say, hey Bhagavan, you are the Shakti in the eyes. You only help me to see through the eyes. You only help me to see through the nose. You smell through the nose. So then they say, hey Bhagavan, may I behold you through the eyes. May I hear about you. Vani gunanu kathani shravanau kathayam. My Vani, let it speak about you only. Like ear, let me hear about you only. Let me eyes behold you everywhere. That is the Purana Upasana. This is the Vedic Upasana. In the Adhyatma level. Okay? Understood actually. So that idea only comes here in a different form. So Indrastvam Pranaha Tejasa Rudrosi Padirakshita Tvamantarikshe Charasi Suryastvam Jyotisham Patihi. You are everything. That's what is being told actually. All names and forms are you only. Indraha Tvam Prana. Hey, Prana, you are the Indra. And Tejasa, you are Rudra. You are the Rudra by Tejas. And Parirakshita, Parisamantati Rakshita. You are in the all protective force here. You are all protecting here. You are the Rakshakarta. You are the Rakshaka for us. Tum Antarikshe Charasi. You are moving in that Antariksha, in this intermediate space. Suryahatvam. You are the Surya. Jyotisham Patihi. You are the stars. You are the Jyotisham Patihi can be moon also. You can be moon, or you are the Lord of all these lights, all these, whatever is giving light is here, whatever this which is lustrous, whatever is here is shining. You are the Lord of all these things. So the Indriyas are glorifying the Prana. So like that, everything here is glorifying Bhagavan only. Suppose you see a flower beautifully blossoming flower. What it does, what it indicates to you, it glorifies Bhagavan. Okay? The beauty in the flower, oh, very beautiful flower. Huh? Then what happens? This time, where are the dahlias? So when it comes, you see dahlias are beautiful. So they are glorifying Bhagavan only. Okay? So that thought should come to our mind. So this small red flower, this I was very fond of having it. So many times I told, this flower should be there, this flower should be there. Now it comes, and all, even the neem trees is having all these flowers. So it is glorifying Bhagavan actually. You have not done anything to bring that flower. Huh? It has got that potential. Otherwise you bring that flower here, it won't come. So it is glorifying, everything is glorifying Bhagavan. Okay, our eyes, I am able to see you. It is because of His glory. Okay? Think like that, what a beautiful thing is it. You are able to speak. Somebody sings beautifully. Oh, Bhagavan's kripa is there. Huh? Bhakti Baba sings, Bhagavan's kripa comes through his voice. So, Indrastvam pranaha tejasa rudrosi parirakshita, you are protecting force, everything. You are the protector. Tvam andarikshe sarasi suryaha tvam jyotisham padihi. Then, yada tvam abhivarshasi ate imaha prana de prajaha anandarupaha tishtandi kamaya annam bhavishyatiti. Now I always think about this mantra. Whenever it rains, I feel used to be happy. From childhood, whenever it rains, I used to come and see the rain. As small children, we will walk in the rain, So whenever it rains, so same thing is come here. Yada tvam abhivarshasi, whenever you rain, the prana only brings rain. Whenever you rains, imaha pranaha, all these people, all these living beings. After the rain, and in Kerala, this seasonal rains, there will be sun. And suddenly it will rain for half an hour and stop. And then there will be sun. Again after 20 minutes, again there will be rain and it will stop. Not continuous downpour will not be there. The seasonal rains, which comes in the May end, it will come May, June, it will be there. So it will be 20, 30 minutes it will rain. So everybody will, when they rain, they will all will have umbrella, but they will stand in some place because it will be heavy rain. They can't walk. But when the rain stops, they will hold the umbrella and go. You have seen this? They will walk whenever rains, they have umbrella and they will stand somewhere. And when rain stops with the umbrella, they will walk because the heavy rain will be there. So you cannot walk with umbrella, it will wet. And when you are going to office, it will come. So when the rain stops, then the beautiful sunshine will be there. And I will find all the trees have taken a good bath and there. The trees will, here also same thing. Here also from the room I see all this what is that, our tree, Rudraksha Vriksha, and all these things have taken a nice bath and have taken a bath and ready, fresh look. So the trees, I always used to feel that the trees are very happy. Oh, nice bath we have taken like that. So like that, yadatvam abhivarshasi, when you are raining, imaha pranaha, all these things, plants and everything, you and me also, all these prajaha, they are ananda rupaha tishtandi, they are all very happy. Don't you, are you not happy when it rains? Very happy. And they say the reason is, kamaya annam bhavishyati itiva. Good crops will be there, good flowers will be there, and good food will come. So the subiksha will be there. This year we had good rains, and there will be good yield from the farm. Good cultivation will be there, good harvest will be there. So you are all happy. So the very same thing is being told. So when you are raining, everybody will become happy. When it rains, what happens? Everyone becomes happy. The rain comes from where? Then earlier sometimes they were doing some research on to make artificial rains. It not succeed also. Then some seedling they used to do. It never happened actually. So when you come in the form of rain, then it is, everybody is happy because kamaya annam bhavishyati means everyone will think that good food will be available. All food will be. Food does not mean food alone. When it rains, the temperature comes down, pollution comes down. Everything is food only. Bhavishyati iti. Then these are all, the indriyas are glorifying this prana. We are all glorifying Bhagavan. Okay? That you don't forget. Vratyastvam pranaye karshi atta vishwasya satpatihi vayam adyasya dataraha pitatvam matarishwanaha vratyahatvam. Vratyaha means one who has not done to himself any samskara. Normally vratya means a fellow who has no samskara. That's like a, you know, this tribal people, no samskara is there, upanayana, antyadya, no samskara, nothing is there. Vratya, they will say. Vratya, they will say. One who has not done any prata. Okay. So vratya, because prana is a vratya, because only prana the others are all after him. So who will do the samskara for him? He is beyond the samskara, he transcends samskara. Okay. Bhagavan need not do any samskara for himself. Samskara is for those who don't have samskara. Okay. You understood actually? Bhagavan is vratya means it is a glorification. You don't need any samskara. You are already pure. What is there to make you pure? You are pure. Whether we should give a bath to Bhagavan? He gives you a bath to you. Then what we say? Apavitra pavitro va sarvavastam gatobhi yasmared pundali gaksham sabhakya abhyantara shuchi. Shuchi comes to you by remembering him. So you need not make him samskara. You need not give him any samskara. You follow actually? So you are vratya. Pranaha, ekarshi. Ekarshi is one form of Agni. Atta, you are the eater. You are the Atta. Vishwasya Satpatihi. Satpatihi, what is the meaning given? Sreshta Swami, okay. Vishwasya Satpatihi. So you are the Pati of the whole world. Vayam Adyasya Dataraha. Dataraha. You are the first giver. Adyasya Dataraha, what is the meaning given? Shankar Bhashya is there? Acha, oh, he has not come. Punaha Adyasya Tavadi Aniyasya Havishoho Dataraha. Okay. So you are the first one to receive the havis. When we do a havan, first four ahutis will be there. Bhuswaha Agniye Dannamama, Bhuvaswaha Suryaya Dannamama, Bhuswaha Agniye Dannamama, Bhuvaswaha Suryaya Vayave Dannamama, Suvaswaha Suryaya Dannamama, Bhuvaswaha Prajapataye Dannamama. Prajapataye Dannamama is the first havis. So Adyasya Datara, you are the first one who takes the first havis. First offering, one who takes the first offering. Here also Pranaya Swaha, first offering. Okay? So this is also both ways. Pitatvam, you are the Pita, you are the Janaka, you are the father of everybody. Matarishwaha. Matarishwa means, yeah, you is the Vayu everywhere. Then, Yate Tanurvachi Pratishtita Ya Shrotre Ya Chakshushi या च मनसि सन्तता शिवां तां कुरु मोत्क्रामीः या ते तनुर्वाचि प्रतिष्ठिता या ते तनु, you remember? या ते रुद्र शिवा तनु शिवा विश्वस्य भेषजी. Okay. या ते तनुः वाचि प्रतिष्ठिता. Your form, you are in my vachi. Vachi means vak. या ते तनुर् वाचि प्रतिष्ठिता. In my vak you are there. This vak is Agni. Okay. This vak is Agni. Agni only speaks through you. Prana only speaks through you. Whatever you speak, whatever you sing is all prana only. Okay. Akaro vai sarva vak. That prana chalana is only vak. Yate ya shrotre ya chakshushi. Whatever power is there in my ear and eyes. Ya cha manasi santata. Whatever there is in my mind. Shivam tam kuru. Make everything mangala. Make everything bhadra. Mangala. Everything should be mangala. Yate tanurmai vaji pratishtata. All my words should be bhadram karne vishruniyama devaha. That is different. Yate tanu. Tanu means, tanu what? Body. Your sharira. You. Yate tanu means you only. Okay. Yate tanuhu vachi pratishtita. Whatever is there in my mouth, you are there in my mouth as vak. In my tongue as vak. Let it be mangala swarupa. Ya shrotre. Ya chakshushi. Ya cha manasi. Santata shivam tam guru. Always make it shivam. Mo utkrami, don't go away. If you go away, what will happen? Shivam becomes shavam. Mo utkramihi. Like that they make a prayer. Pranasya idam vashe sarvam tridevayat pratishtitam mateva putran dakshasva shrishcha prajnam cha videhina iti. Pranasya idam vashe sarvam. Idam sarvam pranasya vashe. Everything is connected to prana. Everything is connected to Bhagavan. Everything is resting on Bhagavan only. Trideva yat pratishtitam. In the three world, whatever is there, it's all connected to prana. It's all connected to Bhagavan only. So therefore, Mata iva, don't go. Mateva, Mata iva, Putrana Rakshasa. As the mother protects the child, you please take care of me. Shrishcha prajnam, Aishwarya and knowledge. Shrishcha prajnam cha videhinaha. We give us Aishwarya and knowledge. Iti, they all made a prayer. It's a prayer of all our Indriyas. It is a prayer of you and me. Okay? To whom? The prayer is not to prana. It is to that Bhagavan who is breathing in us. It is Dvitiya Prashnaha. So in the first chapter, the Bhagavan became the prana and Rayi, and that is the Srishti as we told. And now in this chapter they say, prana is everything here. If prana goes, everything will go. So hey prana, like a mother protects the child, you protect us. Hey Bhagavan, as a mother protects, you protect all of us. That's the prarthana. Okay. Third chapter we'll see tomorrow. Third question. Vishwam darpana dishyamananag pulyam nijandargatam pashyan atmani mayaya behidivot bhutam yatha nidrayam yes sakshat kurite prabodha samaye swatmanameva advayam tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye namayidam Shri Dakshina Murtaye Bijasya Andari Vanguro Jagaditam Prang Nirvigalpam Punaha Maya Kalpida Deshagara Galana Vaichitra Chitri Kritam Maya Viva Vijrambayatyabi Maha Yogi Vayaswechaya Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye Namayidam Shri Dakshina Murtaye Yasyaiva Spuranam Sadatmagam Asatkalparthagam Bhasate Sakshat Tattvamasi Vedavachasa Yo Bodhayatyashritan Yes Sakshat Karanat Bhavenna Punaravurtihi Bhavambho Nidhau Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye Namayidam Shri Dakshina Murtaye Nana Chidragadodharastita Mahadeepa Prabha Bhaswaram Jnanam Yasyatu Chakshuradikarana Bihispantate Janamidi Tameva Bandham Anuvatyetat Samastam Jagat Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye Namayidam ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. ദേഹം പ്രാണം അപീന്ദ്രിയാണ്യപി ചലാം ബുദ്ധിം ച ശൂന്യം വിദുഃ സ്ത്രീ ബാലാന്തജഡോപമാ സ്വഹമിതി ഭ്രാന്താഭൃശം വാദിനഃ. മായാശക്തിവിലാസകൽപ്പിത മഹാവ്യാമോഹസംഹാരിണീ തസ്മൈ ശ്രീഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമേദം. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. രാഹുഗ്രസ്ത ദിവാകരേന്ദ്രസദൃശോ മായാസമാച്ഛാദനാത് സന്മാത്രകരണോപസംഹരണതോ യോസു സുഷുപ്തഃ പുമാൻ പ്രാഗസ്വാപ്സമിതി പ്രബോധസമയേ യഃ പ്രത്യഭിജ്ഞായത്തെ തസ്മൈ ശ്രീഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമേദം. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. ബാല്യാദിഷ്വപി ജാഗ്രതാദിഷു തഥാ സർവാസു അവസ്ഥാസ്വപി വ്യാവൃത്തസ്വനുവർത്തമാനമഹം നിത്യന്തസ്ഫുരന്തം സദാ. സ്വാത്മാനം പ്രകടീകരോതി ഭജതാം യോ മുദ്രയാ ഭദ്രയാ തസ്മൈ ശ്രീഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമേദം. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. ഓം ഭദ്രം കർണേഭിः ശൃണുയാമ ദേവാः ഭദ്രം പശ്യേമാക്ഷഭിർയജത്രാः സ്ഥിരൈരംഗൈസ്തുഷ്ടുവാഗുംസस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं जदायुः. स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम.